Dear learners, welcome to our comprehensive refrigerator demonstration and maintenance video. In this informative guide, we will take you through the step-by-step process of cleaning and maintaining your refrigerator to ensure it remains in optimal condition. From gentle cleaning of removable shelves to defrosting and reassembling, we will show you how to transform a neglected refrigerator into a pristine, well-functioning appliance. In our previous video, we thoroughly covered the components of a refrigerator and delved into the intricacies of the refrigeration process. However, in this segment, we will shift our focus primarily to the essential topic of general refrigerator maintenance. When you open a refrigerator door, you will find various parts and components that work together to create a functional and organized space for storing your food and beverages. Here is a description of the typical parts you will see inside a refrigerator. Shelves. These are the horizontal platforms that provide storage spaces for your food items. Refrigerators often have multiple adjustable or removable shelves, allowing you to customize the interior layout according to your needs. Door compartments. The refrigerator door usually contains shelves or compartments designed to hold jars, bottles, and other small items. Some doors also have special racks to store beverages like milk or soda. Crisper dryers. These are humidity control dryers located at the bottom of the refrigerator. Crisper dryers help to keep fruits and vegetables fresh for a longer time by maintaining the right level of moisture. Freezer compartment. When you open the freezer door, you will find shelves or drawers to store frozen foods, ice trays, and ice creams. Temperature control. On some refrigerator, you will find a temperature control dial or digital display inside. This allows you to adjust the temperature settings to maintain the desired level of cooling. Egg tray. Some refrigerators have dedicated egg tray or container for storing eggs safely. Now, let's delve into the central focus of this video, refrigerator maintenance. As we progress, you will witness a prime example of a poorly maintained refrigerator. The condition depicted in this video serves as an important reminder of significance of proper upkeep to ensure optimal performance and longevity of the essential appliances. In the following segment, we will take you through a comprehensive step-by-step process of cleaning and maintaining this dirty refrigerator. By carefully observing each step, you will gain valuable insights into the best practices for restoring cleanness and efficiency to the appliances. Let's get started and transform this neglected refrigerator to a pristine, well-maintained unit. To initiate the defrosting process, locate and press the defrost button on the refrigerator. This action will activate the defrost cycle, causing the build-up ice to melt gradually. As the ice thaws, the resulting water will collect at the back of the refrigerator. Defrosting is a critical step in cleaning process as it helps in removing ice build-up and enhancing the overall efficiency of the appliances. Please be patient during the stage as it may take some time for all the ice to melt completely. Before proceeding with the cleaning process, it is absolutely crucial to prioritize safety. Therefore, first and most important step is to unplug the refrigerator from the power source. This precautionary measure ensures that there is no risk of electric shock or any unwanted accidents while you handle the cleaning task. Always remember to prioritize safety and disconnect the refrigerator before commencing any maintenance activities. Now, before removing the shelves and door compartments, we must proceed with utmost care to gently clean them. Using a dry cloth or tissue, we meticulously wipe down each shelf, ensuring that they are free from dust, spills, or debris. By performing this preliminary cleaning, we ensure that the refrigerator interior is tidy and ready for maintenance before proceeding to remove the shelves and compartments. In the next phase, it is essential to proceed with caution as we carefully remove all the removable shelves and door compartments from the refrigerator. These components can be delicate, so we must handle them with care to avoid any breakage or damage. By removing these parts, we ensure thorough access to all the corners of the refrigerator interior, allowing us to clean and sanitize each component effectively. Patience and gentle handling are key to safety extracting these items as they contribute significantly to the organization and functionality of the refrigerator. Let's take our time to exercise utmost care through this process to keep these cells and components intact and ready for reassembly once cleaning is complete. In the subsequent phase of our cleaning process, we turn our attention to the refrigerator compartment itself. To achieve a thorough and effective cleaning, we will use a specially prepared cleaning solution. This solution comprises water, a few millimeters of dishwashing liquid, and a few millimeters of vinegar. With the cleaning solution at the ready, we begin the process of carefully applying it to the interior surface of the refrigerator. Using a soft sponge or cloth, we gently scrub away any stains, spills, or accumulated grime. The combination of dishwashing liquid and vinegar proves to be highly effective in cutting through the greases and stubborn residue with eliminating odors, leaving the refrigerator smelling fresh and clean. Throughout these steps, we pay particular attention to hard-to-reach areas such as corners and seams to ensure a comprehensive cleaning. Additionally, we meticulously clean the refrigerator door gaskets, as these rubber seals are vital in maintaining an airtight environmental and optimal cooling efficiency. By utilizing this eco-friendly cleaning solution and employing a gentle touch, we can restore the refrigerator's interior to hygienic and spotless condition. This cleaning process not only enhances the visual appeal but also ensures the preservation of food items in a clean and safe environment. Now it's time to wash all the components we previously removed from the refrigerator. For this task, we use a mild dishwashing liquid to ensure effective cleaning without causing any damage. Carefully washing each part, we make sure to remove any remaining dirt or residue. Once the washing is complete, we set all the parts aside for drying. Air drying is the preferred method to ensure that no moisture remains in the components, which could potentially lead to mold or mildew growth. Proper drying also ensures that the shelves and compartments are ready for reassembly without any risk of trapping moisture inside the refrigerator. By following this methodical approach to cleaning and drying the removed parts, we guarantee that the refrigerator will not look only pristine but also maintain a hygienic and functional interior for the safe storage of food items. Moving on the task of cleaning the water that has accumulated behind the refrigerator, we employ a two-step approach for effective results. Finally, we utilize a siphon pipe to remove the water from reservoir efficiently. The siphon pipe allows us to extract the water without causing any disruption to the refrigerator setup. Successful draining the water with the siphon pipe, we proceed to clean the remaining residue. To accomplish this, we opt to remove the reservoir itself, as it proves to be a relatively straightforward process. Detaching this reservoir enables us to access and clean every nook and cleaning thoroughly. By adopting this meticulous approach, we ensure that all traces of water and residue are effectively eliminated from behind the refrigerator. This protective cleaning not only prevents water-related damage but also helps to maintain a pristine and hygienic environment around the appliance. Moreover, the removal and thorough cleaning of the reservoir contribute to the refrigerator's optimal performance and longevity. With all the removed parts now properly dried, it's time to proceed with the reinstallation process. We approach this task methodically, ensuring each component finds its place securely and properly with the refrigerator. Taking great care throughout the reassembly, we handle the shelves, door compartments, and other parts with utmost delicacy to avoid any breakage or damage. Each item is aligned and fitted back to its designated position, ensuring a perfect fit and smooth operation. This step is critical to restore the refrigerator's functionality and organizational structure. By gently reinstalling each part, we guarantee that the refrigerator can resume its role in keeping food fresh and drinks cool with optimal efficiency. Remember, patience and attention to the details are vital in this process. By following these precautions and reassembling the parts gently, we ensure that the refrigerator returns to its optimal working condition without any issue or complications. Now that we have successfully completed the cleaning process, the final step is to switch on the refrigerator. Before doing so, we ensure that all the removed components have been reinstalled securely. Once everything is in place, we can turn on the refrigerator and set the temperature control to the desired level. Allow the refrigerator a little time to reach the desired temperature before placing any food items inside. This brief waiting period ensures that the cooling system stabilizes and operates optimally. By following this procedure, we can confidently say that refrigerator is now not only clean but also fully functional and ready to maintain the freshness of your foods and beverages efficiently. After completing the entire cleaning process, the refrigerator looks and feels brand new. The meticulous efforts have restored their pristine appearance and optimized their performance, ensuring a clean and efficient environment for storing food and beverages.
Hi, this is Wayne, Sears Parts Direct. Today we're going to talk about a refrigerator not cooling. If you can't hear a refrigerator running, the first thing we need to do is check for power. Open the refrigerator door and see if the light turns on. If the light doesn't turn on, let's check the power cord and the outlet. Obviously, you'll want to make sure that the refrigerator is plugged in and the power cord isn't damaged. Then make sure that the electrical outlet is working by plugging in a lamp or some other appliance that makes noise. If your outlet's broken, you'll need to have it repaired by a qualified electrician. Once you confirm that your refrigerator is getting power, the next thing you will want to check for is excessive frost built up on the evaporator, which can inhibit cooling. You may need to troubleshoot issues with the automatic defrost system if the evaporator is caked with frost. This video will walk you through that process. If there's no frost on the evaporator coils, let's move on to some more advanced checks. Most refrigerators, like this common Kenmore model, have a diagnostic test mode that checks refrigerator operations. First, we'll check to see if the compressor and evaporator fan run in the test mode. To enter the diagnostic test mode on this Kenmore model, within 2 seconds, press the light switch 3 times and then press and hold it a 4th time until you hear a long beep. You're now in the test mode. Press the door switch twice to start the compressor. The control beeps twice, then you should hear the compressor start. If you don't hear the compressor turn on, check the start relay on the compressor. This video will show you how to troubleshoot issues with your compressor. To check the fan, press the door switch twice within 2 seconds and wait for the 2 beeps. Repeat this step 2 more times. The control beeps twice and then starts the evaporator fan. If the evaporator fan doesn't run, unplug the refrigerator and check the evaporator fan. This video will show you how to troubleshoot problems with your evaporator fan. If the compressor and evaporator fan both work in the diagnostic test mode, you'll need to check the thermistor, which is the temperature sensor. This video will show you how to troubleshoot problems with the temperature sensor. To exit the test mode, within 2 seconds, press the door switch 3 times and then hold the switch down until the control beeps. Or just unplug the refrigerator. We want to help you determine the correct part needed to repair your refrigerator. Keep in mind, it can be hard to diagnose the exact issue. Failures such as a broken condenser fan or the refrigerator being low on Freon can also keep the refrigerator from cooling well. Don't hesitate to have a Sears technician diagnose and repair your refrigerator if necessary.
ফ্রিজ চলছে না বা বন্ধ হয়ে আছে মনে হলে করণীয়। ফ্রিজের দরজা খুলে প্রথমে দেখুন ভেতরের লাইট জ্বলছে কিনা। যদি লাইট না জ্বলে তাহলে দেখুন ফ্রিজের বৈদ্যুতিক তারের কোথাও কোনো কাটা বা বিচ্ছিন্ন আছে কিনা। পাওয়ার প্লাগটি ইলেকট্রিক বোর্ড কিংবা স্টেবিলাইজারের সাথে সঠিকভাবে লাগানো আছে কিনা। প্লাগটি লুজ থাকলে তা ভালোভাবে ইলেকট্রিক বোর্ডের অথবা স্টেবিলাইজারের সকেটে লাগিয়ে নিন। প্রয়োজনে অন্য একটি সকেটে ফ্রিজ চালিয়ে যাচাই করতে পারেন ইলেকট্রিক লাইন ঠিক আছে কিনা। যদি ফ্রিজের ভেতরের লাইট জ্বলে তাহলে নিশ্চিত বিদ্যুৎ লাইন পাচ্ছে। ফ্রিজের লাইন সঠিক থাকার পরেও থার্মোস্ট্যাট পজিশন অথবা টেম্পারেচার সেটিং সঠিক না থাকার কারণে ফ্রিজ বন্ধ হয়ে আছে মনে হয়। লাইট জ্বলা অবস্থায় থার্মোস্ট্যাট পজিশন অথবা টেম্পারেচার সেটিং চেক করুন। আমাদের বিশেষজ্ঞ প্রকৌশলীগণ থার্মোস্ট্যাট নবের পজিশন মিডিয়াম অর্থাৎ 4 থেকে 5-এর মধ্যে এবং ডিসপ্লে সহ ফ্রিজের ক্ষেত্রে নরমাল বা ফ্রিজ অংশের জন্য 5 ডিগ্রি সেলসিয়াস ডিপ বা ফ্রিজার অংশের জন্য -18 ডিগ্রি সেলসিয়াসে রাখার জন্য পরামর্শ দিয়ে থাকেন। ফ্রিজ নির্দিষ্ট তাপমাত্রায় পৌঁছে গেলে কম্প্রেসর স্বয়ংক্রিয় পদ্ধতিতে বন্ধ হয়ে যায়। তখন কিছু সময়ের জন্য ফ্রিজ বন্ধ হয়ে গেছে বলে মনে হয়, তবে সেট টেম্পারেচার থেকে তাপমাত্রা বেড়ে গেলে পুনরায় কম্প্রেসর চালু হয়। তাই এটা নিয়ে দুশ্চিন্তার কোনো কারণ নেই। ফ্রিজ ঘামাচ্ছে মনে হলে যা করণীয়। ফ্রিজের ভেতরে ঘামালে দেখুন ফ্রিজের ডোর সঠিকভাবে লাগানো আছে কিনা, দরজা এবং ফ্রিজের বডির মাঝে ফাঁকা আছে কিনা। ফ্রিজের দরজা এবং বডির মাঝে ফাঁকা থাকলে এমন সমস্যা দেখা দিতে পারে। ফ্রিজের দরজার সাথে থাকা গ্যাসকেট যদি স্লট থেকে খুলে আসে, তা পুনরায় বসানোর চেষ্টা করুন। এতে যদি সমাধান না হয়, তাহলে অনুমোদিত এক্সপার্ট দ্বারা গ্যাসকেট পাল্টে ফেলুন। ফ্রিজের বাইরে ঘামালে দেখুন রুমে পর্যাপ্ত আলো বাতাস চলাচলের ব্যবস্থা আছে কিনা। ফ্রিজের বাহিরে ঘামায় এমন সমস্যা দেখা দিলে খেয়াল করুন ফ্রিজটি স্যাঁতসেঁতে জায়গায় রাখা আছে কিনা। পর্যাপ্ত আলো বাতাস চলাচলের ব্যবস্থা আছে এমন স্থানে ফ্রিজটি রাখলে উক্ত সমস্যা থেকে পরিত্রাণ পাওয়া সম্ভব। উল্লেখ্য, বর্ষাকালে বাতাসে জলীয় বাষ্পের পরিমাণ বেশি থাকায় ফ্রিজের বডি সামান্য ঘামাতে পারে, তবে এটা কোনো সমস্যা নয়। অতিরিক্ত ঘামানো অনুভব হলে অনুমোদিত এক্সপার্ট দ্বারা চেক করিয়ে নিন। এরপর দেখুন ফ্রিজটি সঠিক তাপমাত্রায় সেটিং করা আছে কিনা। থার্মোস্ট্যাট নবের সেটিং যথাযথ না হলে ফ্রিজের ভেতরে ঘামাতে পারে। আমাদের বিশেষজ্ঞ প্রকৌশলীগণ থার্মোস্ট্যাট নবের পজিশন মিডিয়াম অর্থাৎ 4 থেকে 5-এর মধ্যে এবং ডিসপ্লে সহ ফ্রিজের ক্ষেত্রে নরমাল বা ফ্রিজ অংশের জন্য 5 ডিগ্রি সেলসিয়াস, ডিপ বা ফ্রিজার অংশের জন্য -18 ডিগ্রি সেলসিয়াসে রাখার জন্য পরামর্শ দিয়ে থাকেন।
All right, now that we're in here at the ice maker, let's go ahead and remove our basket here. And then we're going to go ahead and remove this plastic tray at the top. It just snaps out and reveals our actual ice maker. Okay, so I wanted to explain exactly what goes on here when the ice maker does its job. Basically what it will do is it will bring this arm down and it will check the level of the ice in here, whether or not it should fill. So back in here is a tube that fills your tray with water, and then as it freezes, it will go ahead and when it dumps, it will twist that tray and break all of the ice out of the tray. So sometimes a lot of this, it looks like it's just under a little bit of a bind, and sometimes what happens is condensation will gather on these parts and the ice will freeze it up. And the easiest way that you can usually get away with taking care of this problem is just to take a simple hairdryer and heat up some of these components. Now we're just doing it enough to make sure we get all of the ice out of the nooks and crannies of these small plastic parts. There is a reset button on the bottom of the unit here. I'm going to take a picture so that you guys can see. But there's a reset button right here on the end of the arm mechanism. So what you want to do, since you've went ahead and thawed out the mechanism here, is reinsert your basket. And then we are going to simply hit the button here. All right. I might have hit it a couple times. I shouldn't have hit it a couple times, just once. See, so our arm went down and checked the ice, and then it came back up, and then it dumped the tray. So now all of our parts seem to be moving okay. It was just a frozen or a glitch. And then our water starts to flow again here on the left side. So this water will fill our tray. The ice will then cool down and freeze, and then after a set amount of time, this mechanism will then turn it over.
In conclusion, here are 5 essential tips to properly maintain your refrigerator. The first one is regular cleaning. Clean the interior and removable parts regularly using a mild cleaning solution to keep it fresh and hygienic. Second one is proper organization. Arrange food items in an organized manner to improve airflow and maintain consistent temperature. Third one is check the door seals. Ensure the door gaskets are intact and sealed tightly to prevent energy waste to maintain optimal cooling. Fourth is defrosting. Periodically defrosting the refrigerator to remove the ice buildup and enhance energy efficiency. And the fifth is avoid overloading. So avoid overloading the refrigerator as it can obstruct airflow and reduce the cooling efficiency. So thank you.